Article 411.4 of the National Electrical Code prohibits concealed wiring for lighting systems operating at 30 volts or less because of the potential for overheating. Lighting systems operating at 30 volts or less typically have low wattage requirements. However, despite the low wattage, concealed wiring can still generate significant heat when current flows through the conductor. Concealed wiring is not exposed to the surrounding air, which reduces its ability to dissipate heat effectively. The accumulation of heat can cause the insulation of the wire to degrade, leading to short circuits, insulation failure, and potential fire hazards. Fire alarm and thermostat systems are allowed to have concealed wiring despite their voltage being below 30 volts for several reasons. Firstly, these systems typically draw minimal current, reducing the risk of heat generation. Secondly, fire alarms and thermostats operate only for brief periods during emergencies or temperature changes, minimizing the time for heat buildup. Thirdly, the wiring is often installed in exposed locations or in approved conduit systems that provide adequate heat dissipation. Also, these systems are critical for safety and must function reliably, even in adverse conditions. Concealed wiring helps protect them from physical damage and ensures their ability to operate as intended. Therefore, the difference in the NEC requirements for concealed wiring between lighting systems and fire alarm or thermostat systems is primarily due to the difference in current, heat generation, and duration of operation.